Hello little learners, welcome back to my channel. Today we will watch a story of a little fairy. Once upon a time, in a secret corner of the world, hidden behind a waterfall that sparkled like 1,000 diamonds, was a sunny meadow of Glimmer Brook. This was the home of the flower fairies. All around the meadow were busy, important jobs to be done. The honeysuckle had to be woven into cozy beds for sleepy butterflies. The dewdrops on the spider webs needed to be counted, for each one represented a wish. And the flower fairies made sure the wishes came true. And there was more. The most cheerful fairy was a little one named Pip. Her wings were not big and grand, but small and bright. She loved to laugh, and her job was very important. She painted the petals of the tulips every morning with morning dew. Each petal had to be dotted with perfect little jewels, and Pip was the only one who could do it just so. One day, Pip was flying past the oldest tree in the meadow when she heard a tiny, sad sound. Lost. It was a little baby ladybug, and it was lost. It had fallen from its family and couldn't find its way home. "Don't you worry," said Pip in her kindest voice. "I will help you." But Pip was very small, and the meadow was very big. She knew she couldn't do it alone. So, she flew to her friends. First, she went to Blossom, the fairy who whispered to the bees. Blossom asked all the bees to keep an eye out for a family of worried ladybugs. Next, she went to Sparkle, the fairy who polished the pebbles in the stream. Sparkle used the water's shiny surface like a mirror to look all across the meadow. But the family of the baby ladybug was nowhere to be seen. Finally, Pip had an idea. She flew high up to a fluffy dandelion that had gone to seed. She took a deep breath and blew with all her might. Thousands of tiny, white parachutes floated into the air, carrying the message far and wide. "A little ladybug is lost. Please help." Then they waited, and soon a friendly sparrow, who had seen the dandelion signal, flew down. "I saw a family of ladybugs near the wild roses," she chirped. Pip gently placed the baby ladybug on the sparrow's soft back. They flew over the meadow, past the daisies and the buttercups, until they saw them a whole family of ladybugs on a bright green leaf. The baby ladybug was so happy to be home. Its family thanked Pip with grateful clicks and chirps. That night, as the fireflies began to light their lanterns, the fairies had a party. They celebrated Pip not because she had the biggest wings or the loudest voice, but because she had the biggest heart. She had used her kindness and asked for help to make sure a little friend found its way home. When we ask for help and share our kindness, good things can happen too. And if you ever see a dandelion releasing its seeds into the summer air, you might just be seeing a fairy's message of kindness floating on the breeze. Little learners, what did you learn from this story? What did Pip do when she saw the baby ladybug? What did the baby ladybug say? You can pause the video and find your answers. Now let's watch the video again and find out the answers. Did Pip help the baby ladybug? Of course she did. With the help of her friends, she found the baby ladybug's family and brought them back together. And that is the important lesson of today's story. When we ask for help and share our kindness, good things can happen too. So kids, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.